Hi everyone, hope you're doing well today. I am back to share with you a post review of my completed mystery diamond painting that was sent to me by Cateared for review. I absolutely loved this painting. It was so much fun to work on something that you didn't know what it was. The quality was really great too. So the first thing I'm going to share with you guys is the drills. So this, I did keep all of the trash from this painting. It's a 30 by 30 and this is the trash. Some of it was just the fact that there were different colors. There's some that just are like little pieces or they have like tabs on them. There were a couple, like the light colors there were a couple that were concaved, but not a lot. That's like not much trash at all for the size of the painting, and considering some of that is just different colors that were inside of the bags. So also go through the bags with you. Everything is still in the baggies. I have extra of every single color. There were 30 colors, so you can see there's still tons left. So even if there was a lot of garbage, which there wasn't, you would still have lots of drills to pick through. But I would say no complaints for quality. The colors are really nice. The drills are really shiny. Overall, pretty happy with this. My only issue is that with other people doing them and posting them pictures on Facebook and Instagram, as soon as you find out what your picture is, you kind of lose motivation. And I lost motivation, not just because of that, just for, you know, what's going on in the world. I lost motivation. But then also, as soon as I found out what the picture looked like, I still wanted to finish it, but I was in no hurry. So I kind of wanted to work on other stuff, which I didn't actually do either, but I finally pushed through. I got it done. Again, it's easy to work with. There's no popping drills. The canvas is sticky. I didn't even put, I didn't even have to put tape around the edges. Look at that. It's a beautiful owl face. The colors are gorgeous. The sparkle is pretty. There's like minimal gapping with the squares. So nice. And honestly, with these, the black and white symbols, actually they were all alphabets, black and white, it really wasn't very hard. I did work on it in sections. So I would just go through starting with number 1 and go all the way down, just working on that one section. I found that easier because they are all black and white. And I know normally this being as small size as it is, I would work on half of it and then do the other half. But I ended up doing little small sections as I went along just because of the symbols. But it was so much fun. It's nice to see your picture just appear as you're going along and to kind of guess what it is. I think I said at one point like a lion, but I was like, this comes to a point, so no, but it's definitely an owl. It's so pretty. The eyes are just gorgeous. I love it. Love it. So I definitely do recommend at least trying one mystery diamond painting in your career, your diamond painting experience, because it is fun. It's interesting. Quality for Cateared is excellent. I will have all of the links down below because they are on Amazon. They have their own website. And also there's a Facebook group that I belong to. So I will post all of that information down below for you guys. Check it out. You will not be disappointed. The only thing is it's a mystery what the image is. So you might not like the image. It might not be to your liking, but the whole idea is the experience of it. So check it out. Leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.